Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Yes, we have another song from Weeknd called Die For You. This one is very slow and very calm and has a good mood to it. So, but it's very easy. It's only 4 chords and they go round and round and round. And the chord progression here is G chord, like this. And then we have an F sharp minor. An F sharp means that it's on the 2nd fret, you bar it here. And the rest is the same as an F minor. So 2nd fret, F sharp minor, and then we go to the B minor. The same, you just go down 1 step, you bar the 2nd fret here. And the rest is like an E, like an A minor with these fingers. And then standard E minor. So G, F sharp minor, B minor, and E minor. And the capo is set on the 2nd fret here to make the sound like the Weeknd song here. So pretty simple when it comes to the chord progression. It goes round and round in the verse, in the pre-chorus and the chorus. But there's a bass loop going on here when you play the different chords, and I'm gonna show you how to play them. So first, the strumming pattern for the verse and the pre-chorus, it's the same. It's down, down, up, down, down, up. For every chord in the verse and the pre-chorus. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Down, down, up. And notice that I'm playing on the first down, I'm playing more on the bass strings here. And on the down, up, as follows. It's more on the mid top strings. So bass, down, up, top, top, or mid, mid. So it's some kind of alternate strumming pattern there. Bass, top, top. Yeah, so that's it for the strumming pattern and the chords. Then, as you saw in the intro there, I'm playing one bass loop that is going on here. And you start here from the G. So it's pretty basic. Down, down, up, down, down, up. Then you go to the F sharp minor. Down. And here, you take this one round. So down, down, up. And then down, and instead of down up here, you play this on the melody here on the 2nd fret E string, the 5th fret E string here, and back to the 2nd fret. So, and this is like an it goes on from here then to the next chord, so it's like an overlaps melody, you can call it. So one time you play it like this, and on the 2nd round. So with the chord progression here from G to the F sharp minor, it will sound like this slowly. And then we come to the B minor. Same strumming pattern here. Here you strum 2 full times. So down, down, up, down, down, up. And when you come up, you go quickly and hit this note here. And it's on the A string here, the 5th fret. And it's easier if you go with your little pinky. You just shift it up. So it will become almost like a C chord here, bar and C chord. So down, down, up, down, down, up, and quick to move on to the next chord, which in this case is E minor. Here you play 2 full times, so down, down, up, down, down, up, and in the same way here you go quickly up to this second fret here on the E string, and then we're going back to the G chord here. So that means with the E minor here, down, down, up, down, down, up, second fret, and then over again. Yeah, so slowly it will sound like this. G, down, up, G, down, up, F. And then, yeah, and I said slowly, it was almost like in the standard tempo. I can take it one more time, even slower for you, so you really follow here. G, down, up, G, down, up, F sharp, down, up, F. Oh, sorry, I played it wrong. One more time. So G, down, up, G, down, up, F, F, down, up, and then yeah, and as you saw here, you can add some muting and some, yeah, you can hit the strings a little bit to get this extra feeling. So I can demonstrate in a other way how you can get this more alive, so to speak. So like this. And so on. Yeah, it's up to you how you play with it. Important is to get the basics first, and then when you get used to it, you can evolve it into your way of playing this one. So this is how you play the verse with this melody going on, and then the strumming pattern for the chorus. It's a little bit different. You will be a little bit more active with your right hand, so it will be bass or down. Yeah, I can explain the bass and the top later. We start with the down and up strumming. So down, pause, up, up, down, down, up. And what that is, it's I don't play all strings when I play down and up, so I divide them into bass and top, and the top strings are the down here, the E, B, and G strings, and the bass are the other ones here, the E, A, and D. So down, pause, up, up, down, down, up. So I play most of it on the higher strings here, on the top strings. So bass comes in the beginning. So first bass, pause, top, pause, up, up, top strings, bass, up, and down, top strings. So yeah, I hope you follow there. This is how I would play it, and you can play it in many different other ways, I'm sure. But this is how I would do it if I would play in front of every other people that I know. Of course, this is a popular song, a very soft and easy song to play if you learn it. So I hope this one was good for you, and if you enjoyed, please thumb up and subscribe. And if you wish for any future songs, please leave a comment down below. And as always, play tuned.